Hello, 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 hello.
Spanish Fork Airport, Woodhouse Field. Automated weather observation, 1-2-3-6 Zulu. Wind, 1-2-0 at 8 knots.
Alright, so I'm just trying to let the oil temperature warm up. Otherwise, we're
Status no towers.
about now. Clear left, clear right.
118.85 Salt Lake approach. 5, good.
So run up checklist. Nose wheel straight. Throttle at 1,000. Brake set. Seatbelts fastened, seatbelt secure, cabin doors locked and secure. Back one is latched. Lights. Camera. Action, fuel pump. No one's in the pattern. Where's the 414 helicopter? Spanish Fork, traffic, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is departing runway 12 for left box turns and a climb. Spanish Fork, traffic. Alright, power is full. Your door is closed. Gauges 60, 65, 70. Accelerate to 90. Spanish Fork, traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is left crosswind, runway 12, Spanish Fork. Spanish Fork, traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is overflying the field at 6,200, climbing southbound, Spanish Fork, traffic. You have sunglasses? Because we're going to go right to the sun.
My sunglasses are in my bag, I can get them.
So, mixture is good. Gauges are green, lights are on, flaps are up, fuel pump is off, fuel tank is left main. Spanish Fork traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is 2 east, 7,100 climbing eastbound, final call, Spanish Fork traffic. Salt Lake City, departure Cherokee 4071 Romeo, VFR request.
4071 Romeo, still approach, set request.
Cherokee 71 Romeo is a PA32 slant golf, 2 east of Spanish Fork. At 7,600 climbing eastbound Lake VFR flight following to Cheyenne. Charlie Yankee Sierra at 11,500.
4071 Romeo, squawk 6075.
6075, 71 Romeo.
771 Romeo, over to contact 5 miles northeast of Spanish Fork Airport. Altimeter select is 3020.
3020, 71 Romeo.
71 Romeo, you contact Salt Lake Center now, 133.9.
133.9 or 71 Romeo.
They want to send a maintain 7,000.
Salt Lake Center, Cherokee 4071 Romeo, 9,200 climbing.
4071 Romeo, Salt Lake Center, Carmen County, altimeter 3020.
3020, 71 Romeo. So we are at 13,000, climbing to 15,500, coming up on the Rockies. Steamboat Springs, down to the left. On our way to Kansas. Crossing the Rocky Mountains. At 15,500. 142 knot ground speed. Wichita approach, Cherokee 4071 Romeo, 5,900 descending.
Saratoga 4071 Romeo, Wichita approach, Wichita altimeter 2995, Hutchinson landing, runway 35.
2995, and we will expect 35, 71 Romeo.
Got it, buddy.
And Saratoga 71 Romeo, advise information Zulu Hutchinson.
We have Zulu at Hutchinson.
I don't see right pattern on any of these runways, so runway 35 will be left pattern. Perfect. You'll enter left downwind for 3-5.
Viking 123, Wichita approach, flight vectors, visual approach, May 1 right, it's going to maintain 10 power discretion, maintain 6.
Ask the tower for updated wind, too.
Will do.
I'm sorry. If I were pilot, I probably would be tempted to want to ask for updated winds.
Got it. So what is my pattern altitude for Hutchinson?
2,500 feet.
25.
Airport's 1,500. Try to stay clear of the mountains.
Yes, sir. Will do. Can open up some vents if you want. On my own fuel.
So
we'll land on the right tank?
let's just stay on this left tip. So that's going to be like a 20-minute difference between the two. We did 27 on that one. We'll do 47 on this one.
Got it. What's the ATIS?
ATIS is 124.25.
2 mile final, runway 35.
2425.
But you've already got Zulu.
I know.
Hudson Tower information Zulu, 1652 Zulu. Wind 0101 tree, gusts 21, weather better than 5005.
I would feel more comfortable landing on the right tip.
All right. Take another gallon off the right, and that's 1 gallon less used off the left, so yeah, you're right, makes the discrepancy a little less.
I think I have the airport in sight. I was not looking at the airport at all.
Oh, I thought that brown clearing...
I thought it was too. That's not. Yeah, I have it in sight. I'm looking to run. What's this runway that's going like this?
That
would be runway 1331.
Yeah. All right.
So you're
Am I taking the Wichita approach?
still talking to Wichita, yeah.
Number 71 Romeo, contact Hudson Tower.
Contact Hutchinson Tower. Thank you, 71 Romeo. Hutchinson Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is 8 west at 3,100 inbound full stop with Zulu.
Piper 4071 Romeo, Hutchinson Tower, report left base, runway 35.
We'll report left base, runway 35, 71 Romeo. Tower, can we get a wind check?
Current winds are 02011, gusts 20.
020. Now
That's
it's
fine. It's 30 degrees off, but it's a if it's even with the gust, that's a maximum 10 knot crosswind component.
Right. So gas, undercarriage, mixture, power, brakes, landing light, engine gauges, and seatbelts. Tower Cherokee 71 Romeo is on the left base, runway 35.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, roger, runway 35, clear to land.
Runway 35, cleared to land, 71 Romeo. I have the windsock in sight, 100 knots, but I'm assuming we might lose some.
Yeah, come in at 100. Keep it fast.
How was that?
That was kind of perfect, son.
Cherokee 01 Romeo, correction, 01 Romeo, when able to say parking.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, transient please, or fuel island first.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, roger. And now you can turn left at the end onto Bravo, and now you can taxi the transient ramp via Bravo, cross runway 1 tree, and monitor ground point 9.
Turn left on Bravo, taxi to transient on Bravo, cross runway 13, and we'll monitor ground 121.9er, 71 Romeo. Oh my gosh. Oh, welcome to Kansas, Piper.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, Hutchinson ground. You can turn right there onto the main ramp. The fuel island is on the north side of the ramp for that Phillips 66 sign. Should be just off to your right.
Oh, there it is.
Inside, 71 Romeo, thank you. So do you have the time? 5 hours and 2 minutes. Nice.